Alright, good day. My name is Abu Sunday. This is a continuation class from our previous class where we convert cost station data using AGO. You know, the data we convert on AGO can be accessed from the same data, that raw data that we used to convert. So for us to see our converted data, you go to our input 2021. Then this is the data we convert 618 base, right? So as you can see, these are three files that comes after our conversion. So this is the data we convert. So this data you are seeing here now, we need to convert, we need to integrate this data, right, with the raw data from mobile mapping MX7 camera, right? That is the data that was captured using that camera. We need to integrate this cost station data with that particular data, and we are going to use a software called Pospac at the course of this training. So let's get started. So for us to do that, you go to our Pospac. This is a Pospac software, so double click on it. Right, okay, so you can see now this is a Pospac. So you click on new. Okay, then the first thing you do, you need to save, right? You need to save. So for us to save this project, we click on saved here, or you can go to your file and click save project, right? Then we now browse to that folder that we created to two folder in the other time during our last class, where we created base and Pospac, right? So we'll browse to that folder now, because this is a Pospac software we are talking about. So we are going to save this particular project inside our Pospac. So for us to do that, I'll click here and then go to input and then 2021. This is the folder, right? So I'll open it, and then you see we have Pospac here, right? So we open the Pospac, and then we'll save this project with the date, right? The date that the data was captured. You understand? You know, earlier we checked the date that this data was captured using our Excel sheet. So it was captured on 2021 August, that's 0830, 30th August 2021, right? So this is the format you type the date. So I'll click save, right? Okay, we have saved this project now. So the next thing to do now is to import our raw data, right? The MX7 camera raw data. We will go to our project and click on import, right? Okay, so this is the import dialog box. So the next thing you do is that we see this button here, right? You click on this button so that we browse to a folder, so that where we can select our raw data. So I'll click on it, right? So this is our input, right? So we have it input there already, or you can go through. If I minimize it now, it goes input and then our data, that is 618, right? You open it, and then inside this POS1, right? Then open this POS1, and then click raw, right? Click on this raw, and click OK, right? The data will load here, and then after that you click on import. Okay, so you wait for it to import. So just wait for it. You don't need to do anything here. Just wait. Okay, now here now we now select the manufacturer, right? So under the manufacturer now we select Talisman, right? So this is the manufacturer, so we select Talisman and then we click OK. So you see, so this is the run, right? Based on the movement of the camera or the movement of the vehicle, real-time vehicle frame, right? So the movement of the vehicle, the route that the vehicle follows. So this is the run for it. So the next thing to do now is that we need to, based on this training, we know that we are trying to integrate the call station data, the converted call station data, and the raw data from the MX7, right? So now what we'll do is that we need to bring in that call station data and the converted call station data, right? That is the realness format. So for me to do that, I can just restore down this window. Then I'll go to my input so that I can access that base where we put which will serve as our output folder, right? So I'll click on input and then I click on 2021. Then we'll look for the folder 618, right? Then you click on base. This is the base, right, where we save that converted files. So I click here. So you see you have these 3 files here. So I'll highlight it. I'll click and drag and drop on this Pospac workspace, right? So you wait for it. You can close this. Then you click OK. So you can now maximize this. Okay. So you see we have this a particular KGIS. Remember the prefix of our call station, right? Okay, so we have this here now. So the next thing to do is to go to our setting, that is project setting. Then go to GNS initial processor, then go to lever RAM, then under the standard deviation drag it to 3 centimeter, right? So you reduce it to 3 centimeter and then click OK, right? The next thing is that under your mission here, we have mission 1, right? So under the mission 1, click on this positive sign here, right? Then click on base station, the positive sign here, and then caches, right? So you click on it and then right click and click on set base station, right? Click on set base station. Okay, so you wait for it. Okay, so you see, so you just click OK, right? This flag, this sign of flag will just appear on this your reference point here, right? That is the call station point, right? So after that, now you go to this star here. See this tools here, star, right? It's called GNS initial processor, right? So after that, you click on this star and then click run. So we still wait for this process. Okay, so you see the processing has finished, right? So what you need to do, you can zoom to see what your integration, right? You can see, you can zoom to see the process, right? So what you need to do now is just click save, right, and closed, because this is the end of our integration process, where we integrate the call station, the converted call station data and the raw data from MS7. Thank you and God bless you.